So hello everyone, this is Nikhil Palan and welcome to our first vlog. We are going to collect my friend's new X-Pulse 200. There's a gap. We are supposed to go this way, right? Guys, we are here at this spot, Hero Showroom, Chembur, right? Hero Showroom, Chembur. हुआ भर दिया पेट्रोल So yes, on the way back home we are going with a friend's new X-Pulse 200. It's beautiful. काफ़ी अच्छी तरह वैसे काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से हीरो ने बिल्ड किया है इस what should we say? I mean, we can't even say dirt bike. I mean, the engine feels good. Dirt bike का rawness तो यहाँ पे फील नहीं होगा, but dirt bike की जो सस्पेंशन वाली फील है, of course यहाँ पे फील होगी. So how smoothly he is taking turns and all. काफ़ी क्लोज कॉल था, पर हाइट बीट की वजह से इजीली मैन्यूअर हो गया. I'm so lucky to have these photos. It's I guess Kamani area. And we have a hell lot of photos over here. It's fine. I mean, it's our fault. We should get some dirt bikes for some city rides. चालू हो गया. The thing is, करण के बाइक का हॉर्न अचानक बंद हो गया था. It was kind of worried, but वो अपने आप चालू हो गया. So काफी बढ़िया है लोग. हाँ, ना इंडिकेटर ना कुछ, और इतना बड़ा बड़ा गाड़ी चला रही है. proud owner of Hero X-Pulse 2020. Let's ask him a few questions about the bike. So Karan, तुम ये बाइक लेने का कितना टाइम से प्लान कर रहे थे?
वैसा तो मेरा प्लानिंग लॉकडाउन के पहले ही शुरू हो गया था, जब इस बाइक का BS4 वर्जन आया था। और BS4 का मैंने बहुत सारा रिव्यूज़ देखा ऑनलाइन, तो जिससे मुझे पता चला कि बाइक रिसेंटली पावर्ड है। पर जैसा तुम हाईवे के लिए सोच रहे हो ये 90-100 कॉन्स्टेंटली पे चला सकते हो, तो वो हिसाब से ये बाइक नहीं बना था वो टाइम तक, जब तक BS4 था। लेकिन अभी BS6 ऐड होने के बाद इसमें ऑयल कूलेंट जब से ऐड हुआ है, बाइक कॉन्स्टेंटली 90-100 पे इजीली रह सकता है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बिल्कुल फैटिक नहीं होगा बाइक पे। इसके लिए मैंने ये बाइक चूज़ किया, क्योंकि मेरे ऑफिस रन के लिए भी जो रोड्स हैं वो ऑलमोस्ट ब्रोकन रोड्स हैं, तो मेरे को ये बाइक बहुत अच्छा पड़ता है वो रास्ते।
Karan, what else bike were you thinking about when you were thinking about Xpulse? What other options were you looking for?
Actually, in the current scenario, if you go to see 200cc motorcycles, there are quite a lot of options available right now. But during the days when I was planning to get a new bike, so TVS Apache 200 was in my mind, and Pulsar NS 200 was in my mind. Java 300 Classic was in my mind. But all these bikes are already used by the people, and the reviews are quite mixed. So I thought that why I should not go for a unique bike. So finally I thought of taking test ride of multiple bikes. So I took test ride of Apache 200 and NS 200. Both of them are quite powerful, and they are very powerful in terms of city usage. But the power of the bike is usable only on highways, and in cities you would find yourself continuously shifting gears. So finally I took a test drive of Hero Xpulse. I was in dual mind while buying this bike, because I thought that as this is a huge bike, like whether my feet will touch on the ground or no, I had all that doubts. But when I took the test drive, it is really very comfortable. It is very comfortable, more than Apache 200 and NS 200. And if you see the condition of our roads, it is almost tailor-made bike for Indian road conditions. So I went for Xpulse 200, and I am happy with my decision.
So Karan, what would be your suggestions to the subscribers or people who are planning to buy Xpulse 200?
My genuine suggestion would be those who want to buy this bike just for fun of off-roading and just to explore the places which not any other bike can go. So you should definitely go for this. Don't assume that your height is too short, you will face problems. It is just a matter of 2 to 3 rides, you will easily get used to this bike. As this bike is very easy to handle and very easy to ride and very light on pocket, as it is Indian made bike and it is made by Hero, which is very reliable. It gives you 5 years insurance as well, and 5 years warranty as well as good mileage. So you can easily go for this bike. There is no issue in that.
So thank you, Karan,
Yeah, welcome.
to share your knowledge as well.
Yeah,
So,
always.
I thought maybe this is like the rest of the Hero bikes, double pedal, gear, shifter and all, but it's not of that kind. This thing can take on photos all day long. It's really good. The engine is smooth, it's good actually. Tested this in highway, but this is a new bike. It's hard. I'm no expert when it comes to reviewing a bike, but I feel the bike is comfortable. I feel that I can ride it for a longer time after riding a Duke 390. So I can share my thoughts, opinions that my is comfort on the ride, stuff like that. Stretching yourself out, just like really comfortable. So this bike does make me, have that thought that maybe I should go for this bike. smoothly. There are a lot of people, a lot of experienced people when it comes to reviewing bikes. So, I won't say this is my review or anything, this is just my the first video of the bike for me and described in my words. So yeah, I hope you like the video, guys. This is sort of my first vlog. This bike is effortless. So good to drive this one. Okay, Muska.